Okay guys, we are here on Mocktail Saturday and we are going to find out what exactly makes this mocktail so special. Today is an honor because you actually get to see the wizard. And as you all know, no one gets to see the wizard. So here she is, and she's going to let you in on a few key secret ingredients that makes up this mocktail. This is not prepackaged. This is something on a recipe of her own. What is the base ingredient to this fabulous Caribbean dish?
A lot of love.
There's your secret ingredient.